Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making flour cookies with royal icing. So I'm using an Ateco tip 45. It just is a straight across petal tip, and my icing is really stiff. And I'm using a round cookie that I've already flooded, and the flooded icing has dried. And I'm holding my piping bag almost flat down against the cookie, and I'm just making up and down motions to make little petals. I'm going to leave some space every now and then as I go around the cookie so that the petals look like they're not even, like they would be in nature. And then I'm going to go ahead and tilt my piping bag up just a little bit more and make a center row right on top. And again, I'm just making little upside down U's while wiggling my piping bag back and forth. And I'm just going to go all the way around and then make another row on top of that. I'm tilting my bag even more straight up and down. And I'm just going to make little upside down U's here so that I can just make little tiny flower petals. And I'll wipe my tip off in between petals if I need to. And here I'm going just really slowly to show you what I'm doing. Just so touch down, go up, and go right back down and stop squeezing. And if you have any edges that you need to fix, just take a dampened paintbrush and knock those down. And while I'm piping, I'm using my other hand to turn a cookie turntable, which really helps. Otherwise, you'll need to turn your cookie with your hand as you make each petal. And then for the center, I'm just putting little black spikes. So I'm touching down, squeezing. And while I'm still squeezing, I'm pulling back up on my piping bag, and that will make little black spikes. And I still don't like how this little edge is. So I'm going to take my dampened paintbrush and just finish brushing it down until it looks smooth. And here are some of the finished cookies. It makes a great filler flower to finish off a set, and it would be perfect for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or any spring occasion. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have questions.